Getting your Stripe account flagged for a review can feel like a sudden roadblock when you are just trying to run your business, but it is actually a standard part of how they keep the payment world safe. If you are seeing a notification about a pending review or a hold on your payouts, do not panic, because I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate this process and get your money moving again. Stick around until the end, because I will share a specific trick regarding your website setup that can stop these reviews from ever happening in the first place. Stripe looks at your account because they are essentially acting as a middleman between your customers' banks and your own bank. They use a mix of automated software and real people to check if a business is legitimate and financially healthy. Think of it like a security guard at a high-end club. They need to make sure everyone inside is following the rules so the whole system stays trusted. They are looking at your business model, how often you give refunds, and if your customers are filing disputes against you. If anything looks unusual, like a sudden spike in sales or missing tax information, they hit the pause button to take a closer look. To get through this, your first step is to open your Stripe dashboard and look for the specific documents they are asking for. Usually, they need to verify who you are and that your business actually exists. You will need to upload a clear photo of your government ID and business licenses. Make sure the address on your documents matches the address you typed into Stripe exactly. If there is even a small typo, the automated system might reject it, which drags the whole thing out longer. Next, you need to prove your business is reliable by showing them your history. This means having your bank statements and tax identification numbers ready to go. Stripe also cares deeply about what your customers see, so you must check your website right now. Make sure your refund policy and contact information are incredibly easy to find. If a Stripe reviewer clicks on your site and cannot find a way to contact you or see how to get their money back, they will likely keep your account restricted. They want to see that you are a transparent seller who won't leave customers hanging. Now, simply keep an eye on your dashboard for any new messages. Respond to every request as fast as you can, because speed shows Stripe that you are a professional. If you feel like they made a mistake or you do not agree with a restriction, use the official support channels to file an appeal. Being polite and providing extra proof like customer communication logs or proof of shipping can go a long way in winning an appeal. The pro tip I promised is all about your payout schedule and chargeback hygiene. To prevent future holds, try setting your payout schedule to a slight delay rather than daily when you first start out. This builds a small buffer of funds in your Stripe balance, which makes the system see you as a lower risk because you have the cash on hand to cover potential refunds. If you want to make sure your online store is fully optimized to avoid these issues, you should definitely look into how to set up a professional terms of service page next.